Hello and welcome to another Cricut Design Space tutorial by Goneedle. Today I'm going to be showing you two ways to put pictures inside of text. So for the first way, we're going to be using pattern fills. To do that, we're going to want to upload a picture to use as a pattern. To do this, we'll go down to Upload in the left side, and as you can see, there's Image and Pattern Fill. We will select Upload Pattern. And then from here, you can go ahead and browse an image that you already downloaded into your computer. I'm going to select this one and click Open. So as you can see, it's the Taj Mahal. All you have to do is click Save. And then in a few moments, it'll save this image as a pattern. You don't have to do anything else. All you have to do now is go to Text. Oh, there you go. As you can see, the pattern was uploaded successfully. So now you can go ahead to text. You can type any text you like. I'll just use Taj Mahal. You're going to want to use a slightly big or thick text for this so that you can see more of the image. And then you can go ahead and alter this font however you like. There you go. And from here you can just adjust it however you like. Keep the text closer together. And from here, there's two different ways you can do this. If you want your text to show up individually, your picture to show individually in each letter, all you have to do from here is go to Fill, click Print, and select this image here, and select Pattern. From here, you'll want to select the pattern you just uploaded, give it a moment. Once it's done, you can go ahead and click away. And as you can see, the Taj Mahal shows up individually in every single letter. Now, if you want this to cover the entire image instead, all you have to do is first, let's undo that. You're going to select this and then go to the bottom in the Layers panel and click Weld. What this will do is it will combine this into one singular layer. Now from there, you can click this text and do exactly what you did before. Make sure it's on Print. Click the square to the right. Do the print type as Pattern and upload the image. Once you see the check mark, you can go ahead and click away. And as you can see, it does show up twice because you can adjust this when you go to that square and click Edit Pattern. From here, you can adjust the scale however you'd like. If you'd want to make this bigger, say you go to somewhere around 250, you can click on that and just wait for it to adjust. Once it does that, as you can see, the Taj Mahal covers most of this image, however, it's really low. So to fix that, same thing, you can go to Edit Pattern and adjust the vertical. Let's go somewhere like 200. Enter. And from here, it'll adjust this image by bringing the Taj Mahal up. However, if you'd like to keep it simple, all you'll have to do is go to the Edit Pattern, negate what you just did, keep the scale at 100, and what this will do is keep the image exactly how it was and put it throughout the entire image. As you can see, there's two Taj Mahals in this one image. So that's the first way of doing this. Now the second way, let's go ahead and delete this, is simply uploading an image that you'd like to use as a background for this. I'll go ahead and select this image of the Fast and Furious. Now obviously you can't use this image for commercial use. I'm just using it to show this tutorial. All you have to do, just make it a little bit bigger if you like. From here you can go to Text and type whatever text you'd like. I'll go with family. That represents this movie pretty well. You can adjust this how you'd like. and just bring it over this image. As you can see, this obviously doesn't cover the entire image, so you can rotate it, adjust it however you'd like. Just keep it somewhere like that. There you go, I think that looks fine. So from here, all you have to do is drag and select both the image and the text. Go to the bottom right here in layers and click slice. What this does is, first you can move this, and if you can see there's a slight faint outline of the family here. So what this does is, if you drag this out, as you can see, let's go ahead and move this out of the way. You have made this, sorry, I'll just move this. I'll delete that instead. Okay, so now you have this. You can straighten it however you'd like. There we go, that's pretty straight. And as you can see, you have the background of the Fast and Furious movie in this text. Those are the two ways to put pictures inside text in Cricut Design Space. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel to get more how-to videos on Cricut Design Space.